this is so cool. I like this. Look. Ooh, you can call. Also, look at this. Oh, and also, look at the back. Okay, let's go for the next car. Okay, so now we have this Toyota Veloz. It's a nice car, huh? So, oh. Hello. Let's go. I like this. Alright, so now this is Hilux for like 1 million. So let's see the inside. First, let's check it out. Check it out. Whoa. Let's see. Right. Okay, so guys, this is the Hilux, and we're going inside. Let's see what's here. Right. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Alright. So we're in this, and look. Whoa, look at that. Oh. Look at that. Look at this. Okay, so done with this. Now this is the back. I don't know. Get in. Let's look. So this is a 14, and look at fast. And we will see something here. See this? And I'll tap something. And I'll just tap something here. I don't really just look, camp here. Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna check this. Whoa, what did it happen? I'll check the what's this called? I'll check the Altis again. It's named Corolla Altis. This is a Hilux. I think I like a Hilux. But let me go. So we will go to the behind. Look at the car. So cool. Oh look! There's an aircon here. Oh wow. Whoa, look at that. Look at that light. Let's turn it off. Good. Okay, so now let's check this. So I like this. Let's close it. Oh, there's a sensor. Bye-bye. Let me check the... Whoa. Okay, so now we will check the Veloz. If it holds. the back. Let's go, huh? Do you like it, guys? Comment down in the comments. I don't like his balloons, but I'm gonna picture it. Now, I think this is a different Avanza, so we're going to check the inside because I didn't show it a while ago. Ooh. Oh wow, look at it. Oh, well, next. Is there any cruise control? Ooh, it's cool. Oh, the headlight. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, nice, huh? Wait. Let's put it. Also, now guys, check the back. Is it not over? Oh, we're gonna check this now. This is very cool. Oh, this is so hard. Hey. Hello, but look on the back. Just the gas! That's all I know. Oh, so it's open. Oh, I can guess. I can open the back. Hey. Actually, you guys want to see the back of the Hilux? Let's go. Alright. You guys having fun? Like and subscribe. Alright. How it is? Alright. Wait, what's it? So guys, do you think you can hide here? Just like, I'm just lying down here and sleeping with the car off. Ow. That was so good. Oh yes, one chicken. Guys, this is my first time. Okay guys, so now this is our tuner. That's it, huh? I don't like the hoops. But it's I don't want to hold this. Oh, it's so hot. Whoa, it's really cool. It's not cool, but it's look. Whoa, look at that. I like this, but what's this? Whoa! I like these. And look at the back. There's also at the back of. Oh my god! So I think these are all the cars. But you know, I like this. Guys, please answer the comments here. Which car do you like? Answer in the comments. See you guys in the next video of the Toyota Manual. See ya.